Hey, what's going on, fellow investors? Hopefully, everybody's having a good day. Yesterday I was out and about, man, doing a little shopping for my new crib and kind of coming together here. And I went to two places, and I went to Walmart to get a few items, and then I went to Kroger to get a few groceries. And there was something that happened that was a little abnormal for it to be the middle of the day in the middle of the week. They were surprisingly not packed, but they had more customers than normal. No, it wasn't a holiday, it wasn't any football or sporting event going on, but both Kroger and Walmart just happened to have quite a few customers. I didn't care how many were in the store, I cared about how many were at the cashier or the checkout, because you got to convert the people into the money for us investors to get paid. And I thought about it, man. I have these two stocks in pretty much every portfolio that I have and in some ETFs. And I wanted to talk to everybody because these are two stocks that I will always own. I like the dividends, although Walmart could do a little better. I like the prices. I like the return on my investments. And in this video, we're going to talk about it. Hey, welcome to Investing with Rod. On this channel, we talk about stocks, crypto, exchange traded funds, and how you can invest on a budget. $5, $10, your boy got you. Hey, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary. I'm not none of those big fancy words. I'm just a little guy that's documenting my journey and showing y'all how we can take $2, $1, $5, $10, whatever we have, and go via Robinhood and get us some ETFs, some crypto, and or some stocks. With all that being said, do me a favor, subscribe, share, like. More importantly, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, let me jump in this Robinhood and let's see. Let's look at these things and see what they've been doing, man. Am I just jabbering? Because, hey, I'm going to be honest with you. I ain't even look at this. I don't know what they done did today. I just know I have them. Everywhere I looked, I saw them. But more importantly, when I invest into a company and I pull a Chase credit card out of my wallet, I think of myself as an owner. I go into a Walmart, I'm part owner. I don't care if I got a quarter of a share, I'm part owner. But right now, Walmart is currently trading at $103.27. We're going to make this pretty quick. Today, it is up 0.31% or 31 cents. After overnight, it is up 22 cents. And I'm not going to go over the last week, the last month. Again, I always like to start at 3 months. So in the last 3 months, let's see, what has Walmart been doing? And what I like about Walmart is not a turtle. It's not that slow, but it's not the rabbit either. It ain't going to fly out there. But it's just steady. It's just steady. Steady Eddie. That's what I'm going to call Walmart. Steady Eddie. In the past 3 months, it's up 5.05%. And year to date, will it make the Dub Club, which is over 20%, or will it make it the Quarter Horse Club, which is over 25%? Let's see here. No, it fell a little short, but 14.77% year to date. The way this year started off, I'll take it. I'll take it all day, every day, and twice on Sunday, even though the market closed. What has it done in the last year? Quarter horse, baby. In the last year, Walmart came through it. And what do we have coming up right now? Right now, I'm telling you, man, I don't tell what y'all didn't buy and what y'all didn't invest in. But Rod, knowing we're entering the fourth quarter, October, November, December, what happens in the fourth quarter? And I'm not talking about a football or basketball game or anything like that. I'm talking about of the year, the holiday season. People are going to be shopping. I don't care if they're doing it online. I don't care if they're going in the store. Walmart got them covered. Do they need toys? Do they need clothes? Do they need groceries? Walmart got them covered. You don't feel like going, we'll deliver. One-stop shop, baby. All right, last 5 years, what is it doing? Oh, it's up 27.67% or $22 in the last year. Last 5 years, I'm not going to go past that. But look at this here, 126%. I'll take that, man. Hey, doubling my money, over doubling my money in 5 years. Yeah, stay steady all day. Let's see what we have. We currently have $25 in this account. Cost 97 is trading at 103. I purchased at 97. I could sell at 103, meaning I made money. And that's funny. I did not notice. I have in this portfolio, 0.24 of a share, up 5.81%. Steady Eddie, up $1.38. And let's see what are the analysts saying. I just crack up at these, but sometimes I agree, sometimes I disagree. Let's see if I agree today. The analysts are saying 97% are saying purchase Walmart, 2.6 are saying hold, and ain't nobody saying sell it. Why? Just one of them things you want to keep and just own, man. All right, let me go up here now. Notice I had Walmart typed in, but I'm going to type the symbol for Kroger. I'm just going to type KR. Now, I can do that and go ahead and continue to spell it. But if you look down here, it'll spell it out for you. Symbol, spelled out. Symbol, spelled out. We're going to click that. Should take us to the top. And what has Kroger been doing now? We got 27% that we got to beat in 1 year. We ain't worried about all them 126s and all that. Whoa, Kroger. Man, all them people, they better be green tomorrow. All them people I saw the other day, well, it's making a comeback. It's up 0.04% overnight. Maybe they're starting to count the money. I don't know, man. I don't know. Again, we're not going to do that. We're going to start at 3 months. Last 3 months, oh, Lord, Kroger. But you know what? Notice I just said and sounded negative, but this is beautiful. And I have one of my investments where it's on autopilot. But look at that. I'm just buying on sale. That's how I look at that. And now some people, if I was going to sell this next week, I'd be freaking out. But I'm curious to see what it's doing in a year and in 5 years. 5 years is my mark. Year to date. It's trying, boy. It's 6.31, even being down, meaning in a year, I don't think it's going to make the Doug Club. And nope, it didn't. 16.61%. I'll take it though. 16% on your money when you have multiple investments. And you have, if I only had these two, my other one making 27, this making 16. That's what, 43 divided by 2. I take 21.5% return on my money. And in 5 years, Kroger, you better be selling some groceries, man. We was in the house half of them 5 years. And I'm telling you, and the comeback was real, ladies and gentlemen. 98.94%. I didn't look at this prior to shooting this video. I wanted to be just as surprised as y'all. All right, we purchased it at 66. Oh man, we lost a little money. We're down. I didn't even want to scroll back up for the sake of time. We do have a little more, 0.42 of a share. And let's see what the people are saying. Let's see what the people are saying. Analysts are saying 46% are saying buy, 53% hold, 23% is saying Z. Don't know. I mean, nobody's saying sell it. So you got 20-something people here. Less than half saying buy, but hey, if you just held it, just hold on, man. It's not going anywhere. It is not. Now, I will tell you that Kroger pays a quarterly dividend of about 35 cents, and Walmart pays a dividend roughly 23 cents. Let me go ahead and take that down. So there it is, man. Two of the stocks that I love, and you can see why I love. Basically, I know I have Kroger and both of them on autopilot in at least one of my portfolios, meaning every I want to say every 2 weeks or every 10th of the month, because I still have it set up when I was working. It'll take maybe $10 out of my checking account for each and deposit it. You won't see it here because it's automatic. And I try to keep the investments here. I try to keep them $5 or less. We're not going to purchase any stock today, but do me a favor, man. Let me know. What do you think of Walmart and Kroger? Do you have it in your portfolio? Is it something you thought about? Have you never thought about it? I'd love to hear about it. Please put it in the comments below. Again, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Share this thing out. Hit that thumbs up. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you. I hope you have a blessed and prosperous week. I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, dropping more knowledge, but more importantly, showing you how to invest on a budget. And until the next time, peace.